Get excited because opening your first savings account can be easier than ordering a pizza online. Seriously, it's that easy now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Banker's Vault.
Today, we're diving into a topic that is really, really important for everybody. Young, old, doesn't matter. We're talking about savings accounts. So if you're ready to level up your money game, you're in the right spot. Stick around.
All right, awesome. So first things first, what is a savings account?
So think of a savings account like a digital piggy bank, but it's way cooler. It's a special type of bank account where you stash your cash and watch it grow over time, thanks to something called interest.
Exactly. When you deposit money into a savings account, the bank pays you interest for keeping that money with them. And it's almost like getting a small reward for being smart with your cash.
One of the things to note with the savings account is that here in Canada, with the CDIC, you are insured for up to $100,000 of the cash that you have in the bank account. But just remember, anything over that amount, you are not covered for, something to take into consideration.
Absolutely. So why should we even care about savings account?
Well, let me tell you, whether you're saving up for that epic road trip with your friends or planning to buy your first car or dreaming of your own place, a savings account is your secret weapon to help you achieve all these dreams.
Plus, having a savings account helps you develop good financial habits. It teaches you the importance of setting money aside for any future use, and it helps you avoid unnecessary debts that you may take on.
And not to mention, let's not forget about the importance of building an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and having some money saved up for that time when you need it most is something that just cannot be expressed enough.
But hey, you're probably wondering how much cash do you need to start a savings account?
The awesome part about a savings account is that you can kickstart it with just a few bucks. It doesn't have to be a large amount. Some accounts will allow you to start with even $25. And then if you like, you can have something set up where automatically per paycheck or per month, however much you're comfortable with, into your savings account from your checking account.
Absolutely. It's all about making that first move. The sooner you start saving, the more money you can grow over time because of that wonderful thing called compound interest. That's interest earning interest.
Sharon, that's a great point. And the biggest thing that we want to emphasize again, guys, is that you don't have to deposit a lot at once. Even small, regular deposits can add up over time. It's about consistency and commitment.
Awesome. So, are you ready to take the plunge?
If you are, get excited because opening your first savings account can be easier than ordering a pizza online. Seriously, it's that easy now. All you have to do is go online or even walk into a bank and tell them that you want to open a savings account.
So, yeah, when you're ready to open an account, you need a few basic things. You need your ID, you need your SIN number, and a little bit of chump change to put into the account to get it started. Many banks actually offer mobile apps that make it super simple to open an account. My wife and I, just a few months ago, used the mobile app to open an account. It was super easy, took a few minutes of our time. Thanks to the internet, life is easier.
And don't forget to take your time to look around for the best rates and the best account features. Now, a special tip, a pro tip even, for some of my younger folks out there, banks even offer special rates for students. So take that into consideration when you're thinking about where you want to get your savings account.
And guess what? You're not limited to just opening one savings account.
You can always juggle accounts for different goals. So what this means is whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for that big concert, or even setting aside money for your next big move, having separate accounts for each of these goals is a great strategy to implement.
Absolutely. This way, you can clearly see how close you are to reaching those goals without getting your funds mixed up. You can keep them nice and separate, nice and clear and concise. This is the way you can track each goal separately.
Plus, it's super satisfying watching the progress grow in each of your accounts, whether it's one savings account, whether it's two or three. Trust us, it's a great motivator.
You may be wondering whether you can even have a savings account.
Absolutely. Whether you're fresh out of high school, in college, or already crushing it in all your career and aspirations and goals, savings accounts are for everyone.
Starting early actually gives you a head start on building that financial future that you're dreaming of. And with so many options available to you today, there's definitely an account that fits your specific needs. You just have to look for it. All right, so now you know a lot about a savings account. So before we wrap up, we want to drop a mind-blowing concept on you. The concept that's called infinite banking.
Man, I couldn't be more excited to share this with everybody watching today. Infinite banking is like a savings account on steroids, giving you crazy control over your money and even more growth potential.
So with infinite banking, you essentially are creating your own banking system, aka your own savings account, where you can access money without interrupting the compounding of your money. When you use the savings account that we discussed, that money is no longer making money for you. With the infinite banking concept, your money will continue making more money for you while you can still have access to money.
So it is a bit more advanced, but it offers incredible benefits for those who want to take their financial game to the next level.
Awesome. So thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this video helpful, just smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.